with an end goal to effectively assist with boosting worldwide web security. Huawei has now joined as an establishing individual from the equipment vendor program of the mutually agreed norms for routing security. MANRS is a worldwide drive that means to decrease the most well-known steering weaknesses, for example, internet course seizing, course spillage, and address mocking through collaboration among transporters, ISPs, CDN suppliers, gear merchants, and policymakers. It is advanced by the Internet Society and essentially centers around web security and resilience. Under it, the EVE program is new and is designated at hardware merchants following the Network Operator Program, ISP program, and CDN and Cloud program. Huawei, an overall forerunner in network gear, is showing others how it's done through their dynamic commitments to the new MANRS Equipment Vendor Program, said Andrei Robachovsky, Senior Director, Technology Programs for the ISIC. Alongside other establishing members in the program, Huawei's association shows the significance network hardware merchants have in Internet directing security. And we trust it will persuade more individuals from the Internet Foundation local area to keep on making progressions to a safer Internet for everyone. Hank Chen, President of Router Domain Data Communication Product Line, Huawei expressed that Huawei was regarded to join MANRS as a functioning supporter of Internet security. Steering security is pivotal to Internet security, and that incorporates network gadgets, the establishment of the Internet. Throughout the long term, Huawei has devoted itself to building secure and dependable organization gadgets and has broad capacities and involvement with the field. He added, Huawei will keep on attempting to guarantee the receptiveness, security, and soundness of the Internet in the future alongside working together with industry accomplices to advance the flourishing of the worldwide Internet. In other news, the Chinese Global Innovation Organization is good to go to dispatch an innovation lab in Finland fully intent on settling central questions in computerized finance. It additionally represents an extensive number of 6G licenses recorded by China in the new past.